Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are talking about Bahia Principe Grand Punta Cana, one of the biggest all-inclusive resorts in the Dominican Republic. Thousands of people stay here every year because this price is usually attractive. The resort is massive and on paper it seems to offer everything you need for a tropical vacation. Beautiful beach, huge pools, plenty of restaurants, endless tropical gardens, it sounds like a great deal. But once you start looking deeper into real guest experiences, especially the negative ones, certain patterns begin showing up again and again. No one bad vacation, not one disappointed guest, patterns, and that's exactly what we are going to break down today. Alright, let's start with the rooms, because this is where every vacation begins. The biggest complaint is inconsistency. Some guests receive renovated rooms and live completely satisfied, others end up in rooms that feel tired, outdated and in need of renovation. Common complaints include weak air conditioning, humidity, moldy smells, broken furniture, clogged showers, worn bathrooms and rooms that simply don't feel clean enough for a 5-star resort. Several guests even mentioned having to switch rooms before finally getting one they were happy with. And after long flights, that's definitely not the welcome people are hoping for. Now let's stay with the rooms for a moment because another issue keeps appearing: maintenance. Even after reporting problems, many guests describe waiting much longer than expected for repairs. Whether it's the air conditioner, plumbing, or electrical issue, some people say they had to call several times before anyone arrived. Problems happened at every hotel. That's normal, but what separates a luxury resort from average one is how quickly those problems get solved. And according to many reviews, this is one area where Bahia Principe Grand Punta Cana doesn't always meet expectations. Alright guys, now let's move into food, because food is probably the most discussed topic in the reviews. And honestly, opinions are everywhere. Some guests enjoy it, others are extremely disappointed. But when you focus only on the recurring complaints, a clear pattern appears. The buffet offers a lot of variety, but after a few days many guests say it becomes repetitive, some dishes are lukewarm, others lack flavor, and while presentation often looks good, the taste doesn't always match the appearance. That's something you see mentioned over and over again. And while we're talking about food, let's mention something nobody wants to deal with during vacation. Stomach problems. Most guests never experience them, but if you spend enough time reading reviews, you will find repeated reports of digestive issues after eating at the resort. That doesn't automatically mean the resort has a major food safety problem, but when the same concern keeps appearing over different years, it's something traveler should at least be aware of before booking. Now let's move to the restaurants, because having several restaurants sounds great until you actually try to book them. One of the biggest frustrations mentioned by guests is reservation availability. Many people say the most popular restaurants are fully booked almost immediately, leaving them with fewer choices than they expected. Some guests even describe planning the entire day around dinner reservations instead of simply relaxing. Alright, now let's talk about service. This is probably the most inconsistent part of the resort. Some guests describe amazing employees who made their vacation unforgettable. Others describe slow service, poor communication, forgotten requests, and feeling like they constantly had to follow up. And here is the thing. This is an enormous resort. Everything depends on organization. When the system works, everything feels smooth, but when it doesn't, even simple requests can turn into long waits and unnecessary frustration. Now let's talk about the size of the property, because for some people it's a huge advantage. Beautiful tropical gardens, lots of space, multiple pools, plenty of explore, but for others it quickly becomes exhausting. Depending on where your room is located, walking to the beach, restaurants or lobby can take much longer than expected. Shuttle trains are available, but they aren't always immediate. Some guests enjoy the walking, others feel like they're consistently moving from one place to another. Alright guys, now let's head outside and talk about the pools and beach. Visually, this is definitely one of the strongest parts of the resort. The pools are large, the beach is beautiful, and the tropical setting is exactly what many people imagine when they think of Punta Cana. But even here, familiar complaints continue. Finding pool chairs later in the morning can be difficult, guests reserve loungers very early. During busy weeks, both the beach and pools can feel crowded. None of these issues ruin the vacation, but they definitely affect the overall experience. And speaking of crowds, let's talk about the atmosphere. Bahia Principe Grand Punta Cana is not a quiet luxury resort. It's lively, it's family friendly. There are activities happening all day long, kids everywhere, music, entertainment, energy. If that's exactly what you're looking for, you'll probably enjoy it. But if you're expecting a peaceful 5-star escape, this probably isn't the right place. Now let's talk about cleanliness and overall condition of the resort. Most guests agree that the grounds are beautiful and very well maintained, but recurrent reviews mention aging public areas, bathrooms needed renovation, overflowing garbage bins during busy periods, and maintenance that sometimes struggles to keep up with such a large property. Individually, this aren't huge issues, but together they start creating a picture that doesn't fully match the 5-star image. And here is where everything comes together, because when you step back and look at the full picture, Bahia Principe Grand Punta Cana isn't really a terrible resort. That's not what the reviews show. The biggest issue isn't one major disaster, it's consistency. Some guests have fantastic vacations and can't wait to return. Others leave wondering why this resort carries a 5-star rating. And usually when experiences vary that much, it means the resort isn't consistently delivering the same standard to every guest. Alright guys, so let's close this properly. When you put everything together, the rooms, food, restaurants, service, maintenance, crowds, and overall atmosphere, a very clear picture starts forming. Bahia Principe Grand Punta Cana offers a lot for the money. Beautiful grounds, fantastic beach, plenty of activities, but at the same time it also shows many of the challenges that come with operating one of the largest all-inclusive resorts in Punta Cana. If you're looking for a fun family vacation, beautiful weather and a good overall value, you will probably have a great time here, but if you're paying premium prices, expecting flawless service, exceptional food and a true luxury experience from beginning to end, you should think carefully. Because when the same complaints repeat across different guests, different stays and different years, that's not coincidence, that's structure. If this helps you see things a little more clearly, subscribe. We are going to keep breaking down resorts exactly like this. No marketing, no filters, just real talk. Take care guys, and choose smart.